If you have a bunch of photos within Google Photos, but you wanted to transfer or download them to your iPhone or Android, it works the exact same no matter what device you're on, and I'll walk you through the exact steps. Now, if you open up the Google Photos app, again on your iPhone or Android, this will just mimic all of the photos that are in the gallery. So unfortunately, you cannot do it in the Google Photos app because this will just show you exactly what's in that gallery. You need to instead open up a web browser. From the web browser, we're going to go to photos.google.com. After you've gone here, you need to open this up and of course log into your account. And let's say we wanted to download one of these photos. I'm going to say this one. I wanted to download to the gallery on my phone. Of course, you can choose multiple different photos. But from here, I'm going to tap the three dots at the top right and then tap on download. From here, just choose the download button, but keep in mind this downloads it to the Files app on your iPhone. It doesn't download it into the Photos gallery, which is fairly annoying. All we need to do from here is take our finger and swipe down. Type in Files and tap on the Files app. Now, if you don't see that download folder, just tap on Browse a couple times at the bottom right. Then tap on My iPhone and then Downloads. And there you'll be able to see is that image right there. So I can open it up and you'll be able to see it opens it up in preview. Now I can tap on that share button at the bottom right. And finally I can choose save image. This will save it to the photos gallery. I can hit allow here. And now if I hop out of here and open up the photos gallery, there you can see is the image that I just downloaded from my Google Photos, and it's now in the gallery of my iPhone. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.